Okay, which one is this? This is
all the way down. Yeah, all the way. Yeah, straight down.
No, we're over here on this.
You see where that bunker is, and then.
No, but what about the people that's over here? So I think they took the flag up. Cause that's where we were on, I think, 3 or 4.
Nah, that's this one.
So, no way.
Yeah, by that palm tree, and there's a flag. That's us.
No.
Yes.
That's us over here?
Yes.
To the right?
Yes. Hey, look at OG,
yeah,
smooth buttery. Yeah, remember, we like to try to get over this hill, and then you got another approach. It's a par 5, so you really got to put them out there.
Okay.
Effortless swing, like you just swinging to be like, all right, here we go.
Now, do I swing a 3?
Yeah, you can swing at the hill though. You got open air. You can breathe. See, guys, keep playing. No matter what it is, even if you have some troubles, we keep it in.
I'm good. I'm hitting. I'm getting straight. I'm just getting nowhere. This ain't going nowhere.
It ain't getting nowhere. Don't hit me. Get a shot. Get up. Get up. I might need another 9 holes, but it's cooking.
This only
that's the back 9. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's only
back
9.
Okay,
we good. We Gucci.
Back 9 gonna be real Gucci. Patience. You know, we were the last ones. I don't think it's nobody behind us.
Yeah, cause I think everybody changed their mind after they're like, nah, bro.
You guys should have seen it. It was probably like, I say like 10 groups, just everybody scrambling to get in, driving as fast as they can to get back to the clubhouse. Striper, get shot. Sit. Don't. Oh, right on the fairway.
We'll take that one.
That boy's a fairway boy.
Off of this T-box.
That was a good shot. You ain't going to bunker, you stay close.
That's the best one.
Yeah, shout out the day so far.
And I had a conversation with them this morning, and they were just talking about the life of Riley and what they're doing. In the Irish tradition, they're actually making fun right now of what they're doing with the money that I've been giving them for years. We have so much, we're doing this and we're doing that, and they're kind of rubbing it in my nose a little bit. And it's just great. It's great fun. Only the Irish can
I know that was Robert. I mean, Buffini. I'm like,
why is he on now?
I don't know. He came on out of nowhere. I was like, hold up.
He said, hold on, Jesus. I'm not ready, Lord. Don't take me.
Orange gonna make it. Damn. That'd have been my money. Hey, listen. You put your faith in people, they might come through clutch. But most of the time, they not feeling your vibe. Oh, you see what's going on.
Okay, which one is this? This is
all the way down. Yeah, all the way. Yeah, straight down.
No, we're over here on this.
You see where that bunker is, and then.
No, but what about the people that's over here? So I think they took the flag up. Cause that's where we were on, I think, 3 or 4.
Nah, that's this one.
So, no way.
Yeah, by that palm tree, and there's a flag. That's us.
No.
Yes.
That's us over here?
Yes.
To the right?
Yes. Hey, look at OG,
yeah,
smooth buttery. Yeah, remember, we like to try to get over this hill, and then you got another approach. It's a par 5, so you really got to put them out there.
Okay.
Effortless swing, like you just swinging to be like, all right, here we go. Good shot. What a shot. Back in the fairway.
You were treating me okay today.
Yeah, that's what I said. After the little warming up and a little cool down. Yeah, I was like, bro. Yeah, that's what I said. You over here striping last hole. Yeah, you see it now. You like, I don't know why I hit that. Yeah, you hit that right good. Oh. That, he don't even know what to say, y'all. You see this? He's speechless. Gum guys and showed him that his work ethic has been approved. Should turn around, let him see you on the green right there. 142 out on the green.
I'm glad I caught the 8 and not the 7.
Okay,
I would have been.
Yeah, you're probably looking too far. Every time I eat a peppermint, it reminds me of when I was in church. At 9:30 in the morning, and we gotta go stop by the gas station to go get the 2-pack of Mickey's. If you're from the hood, Mickey's was that little that bag of candy you get 2 for $1. And they had like 8 peppermints. Sometimes they got butterscotch. And my mama, I never said peppermints galore, baby.
I know we ain't great, but at least we good. They bad.
Yeah, they bad.
They bad. I don't, they bad, bro. Like,
and they trying to figure it out too. They like, what? I'm like, I'm sorry, sir, but it ain't me. It's people behind us.
Hey.
And if they be like, you want to hit in front of us? Yes. So you got that one. They got that one piece that. And they go, well, now everybody's skipping. Let's go, man, sir. You know what I mean? Listen, guys, we have fun out here. We got so many behind us, front of us, left and right. We got birds poking around, raccoons.
Okay, though. Hey, y'all. So we skipped foursome.
Yeah,
we had a twosome that was chilling in the cut.
And yeah, they dribbling in the no boy.
Dribble, like they playing basketball.
I mean, I know we gonna dribble. At least our dribbles are like way far deep.
They playing basketball. We got the basketball.
Well, he walking there.
I say when he walk, you know.
You knew y'all should have let us go. Why y'all did that?
They saw us coming to skirt.
Yeah, I seen it. I was like, bro, he came out of nowhere. That boy striping. That's on the green, ain't it?
Nope, it's on. He got over.
I'm like, that look.
Thought I might splash, but I got
boy,
over,
this boy here is on fire. He like determined now. Oh, that. The trees, man. I told you, trees.
You got a lot of that one too, brother.
That's the best shot I had.
You got all of that one with that thing.
You see on shallow there.
Did I go on the other side?
No, literally right here next to you.
Oh, no.
That's what I said, on the other side. That's what I'm like, he's right here next to you.
Thank you.
And look at this. What? Approach. Here we go. 150. Here we go. Best shot. That's the one you want it. That's how you clean back up. Look at the golf guys. Gave it back to you. A little tight one too. It was so tight you were like, it's peeling. Nope. Staying straight. That's how it is, man. The golf guys give you a bad spill and then they give you a good drive. They give you a good approach and a three putt. And then you get it all together, you're almost a professional. You're like one single digit scratcher. Go. Keep going. Tell you, man. You can hear the impact. You can hear his effort there.
Swung to 8 and we on the green.
And they be like, bro, the guy with the green shirt, just make sure you stick an extra.
What, you hit it and over
yeah,
there?
it dribbled me in and then. But look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all gonna see the hater behind us, dog. Don't tell nobody, but there he go right there. Y'all can see him? Hater. He hating on us, bro. Alright, man, there we go. This is why I stick them in. Stick them in close. Peanut butter, too. And that's how it should be right there. Peanut butter, no jelly, all jam, right in there. No jam, straight peanut butter.
Good one.
Sticking them in the hole. See, I'm so confident in the short game. That's why I'm talking all this noise. My short game and my putter been on fire. Yeah, you gave me your power. Listen, y'all. Back again. Charlie Cash Flow. Mr. World Renowned. GSO Boys Live in Effect. At the 18th hole. Hollybrook, Hollywood, Florida. I mean, Orangebrook, excuse me. Hollybrook is further on. How you feel, Mr. World Renowned? You had ups, downs,
in between,
left, rights.
I'm feeling good.
You got a lot of GRs, a lot of pars, a lot of bogeys, a lot of triples. So did I. You know, this is what we do. We ain't here to hide the curtain. No, we dribble up a little bit. You know, we're beginners. But the lifestyle of GSO, you know, we didn't get the sticks in the oil, but we're gonna give y'all the good stuff every time we can get out. What'd you say?
Ditto.
I know one thing, he has to drive it how he's been driving. He's been driving the school bus all day. Iron fist. What'd you give him the drive?
Today I would give myself a B.
That's a good one. I would say the only con is you gotta fix that right.
Gotta fix it.
If it could go tight right, yeah, I'll take it. Not banana right. Okay, so irons, I gotta give you a A.
I'm gonna go A minus.
I'm gonna give you A minus.
A minus on that.
All of them are crispy in the air, guys. If y'all could see, we're gonna get another angle point.
Yeah,
crispy in the air, distance on point. And then no, we gotta go short game first. Short game, around the green, shorts. I'll give you a B.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm about to say you was good. You got out the bunker a couple times. A lot of times, I mean, you got out clean. I ain't see you struggling in the bunker.
But now can we get to my putt?
Yeah, now we can get you.
Now I'm gonna give me a C for C. You suck.
C, you suck.
C, you garbage.
And he's the.
I'm supposed to be putt king. I think that's. You know, I should probably give myself a D.
Yeah, I think I was about to say if you want to get.
I
was gonna give him a D.
Probably give myself a D to be honest. That's what I'm supposed to be.
I seen him do some. Y'all go really look at the tapes. You seen him chip it in from outside. You seen him hole out, up and down. Today it's just not.
Today is not today, man.
So
I was too worried about getting all the camera set up. I should have been worried about at the putting.
Yeah, and you see what I was doing, right? And I was chipping and putting.
Next time Charlie Cash.
I was chipping and putting.
Next time Charlie Cash look on me in charge of setting up the cameras, and I'll be out there putting, give me a putt game. I spent all my time on the driving range today.
Yo, that is so funny. Y'all didn't see that work.
Gave myself no work on the putting green.
He just set it up. I sat down in the car and just rolled off. Yeah, that's how it went.
I'm making excuses though.
I really did with chipping though. I was chipping for a little bit, putting a little bit. I was like, okay, I know this. But you didn't get nothing in. Guys out there, do you guys go out there and practice before you play or what? Because we had a good range. We did what we had to do, but we just didn't get the short and the putting. But let me know in the comments if you guys go down there and get you a full game of practice before warm-ups. Hey.
You sure you ain't just being extra chuck?
Nah, I promise, bro.
You got out there. Hey,
bro.
The process to make it happen looked
ugly.
The result was beautiful. The process was ugly.